welcome back to another episode of Bass Buzz Darts. We got our first fish today. Sorry we couldn't record it. Kyle's rigging up. So yeah, pretty nice fish. We're gonna let it go into the water so you guys can see it's not the same fish this time. All right, got him. Fish on. Feels a little. Oh yeah, this is bigger for sure. Yeah, we sized up a little bit right here. Nice fish. All over the place, dude. Yeah, this is my first time fishing in this creek. Never fished here before. I know there's fish in here. We got fish number 2 right here. Number 3. Staking it. Come on in. He's got it. Yeah, see him. Take it. Here, I have one right here. Yep. Oops. That was a little aggressive. Yeah. I'll say it's Kyle's turn. We'll try to catch some fish. Come on, Kyle. You got this.
First cast?
Yep. You think you can catch them? Come on, Kyle. You got him, Kyle. Wait, what? I don't know. I don't think you should be using that bobber. Or what? Do you have like a weight on under that?
Yeah.
How heavy is it? Alright, yeah, we'll be right back. Alright. Just make fish sticks. Hopefully you can catch one. What are you doing, Kyle? He nibbled at it. Oh, what's that poke? Bobber wasn't even under.
Came off.
It snapped. Oh my. Kyle, why don't you let me tie the knot, okay?
Bro, I don't know.
Really?
I did a fisherman's knot and it didn't do anything.
Right here. Let's go, Kyle. There we go. Set it. What are you doing? I told you should have just tied on the normal hook like I did. Alright. You got a fish?
Just another small one.
Just a little dink. Yeah, we're kind of, I don't think there's any, I don't know if we can, like, if there's any crappie in this little creek right here right now. Because, Kyle, show him that.
There's a little dead one right here.
A little one?
That's a big one. It's pretty big. I'll show you guys here.
Don't snag it.
I'm not trying to. Alright, whatever. It's right.
Say goodbye to this guy.
Where'd it go? It's right here. If you can see it right there, it's pretty decent size, but it's dead, which sucks.
It must have just got caught in there, I guess. I don't know. Got
It's right
one?
there.
Turn it into a Kyle. Yeah, so, partly cloudy out here. I think it's probably around like 53 degrees. Yeah, that's basically the forecast right now.
Yep.
I don't think there's any rain on the radar right now. But, yeah. So, hopefully catch more. You can see the fish right here. So, I don't really like right here. I think I'm going to go back to where we were, even though you can see the fish right here. But it looks like a lot of small ones.
Yep, there's a lot of small ones right in here.
Go, Kyle. That was a good cast. All right, still go. Oh, they're right there, Kyle. Pay attention. You almost missed them. He's probably so happy in that little mind of his right there. Yeah, Kyle, he got his first fish. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Hey, chill. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Just like swallowed it.
Yeah, maybe you should have been paying attention. Yeah, so right here, there's kind of a current. We're casting right over there. You can probably see like right there. That's basically where we're fishing. Yeah, we'll try to catch some more. All right, guys. We're going to spot number 2. Fish are just kind of small there.
We're gonna try to
And
see if
yeah,
there's
we're
any
gonna
bigger
see
ones.
if there's some. We're going to a lake that connects to that creek, so we're gonna see if we can find any bigger ones.
Spot number 2 was bad.
All right, guys, I'm back at the house now. We didn't really have time to do an outro, but I'm gonna do that right here. Hope you guys